Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Okay, today I want to teach you the basics of digital marketing one-on-one. Okay, because I have a lot of people saying, oh my God, where do I start? Digital marketing is taking over. I don't know where to start. It's overwhelming. Is this, is that, or whatever. I want to show you the basics. I want to let you know how simple this can be, how I was able to go from a bus driver to a digital CEO, making this my full-time income, okay, with digital marketing and how you can do it as well. So if you're new here, first off, welcome. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jarika, okay? I went from a bus driver to a digital CEO. I now teach people how to make more money in their sleep than they do on their feet. Okay, I teach them how to turn what they already know into a digital income. All right, so I want to teach you the basics today, just in case you're just beginning, you don't know where to start. This is for you, okay? So digital marketing one-on-one with digital products, okay? The way that we monetize our social media is with digital products. It is simple because it's easy to promote. It's easy to sell, okay? And you can share it all over on all platforms and different things, okay? On different social medias, everyone that you have a login to, like I tell my students, baby, you best to push that like crack in the 80s, okay, period. So you're going to connect with people, the right people that want your product, because the thing about a digital product is you create it one time and you're able to sell it over and over and over again. It's totally different from a physical product, because that physical product, you have to worry about inventory, shipping, handling, warehouse, and different things of that nature, which I don't knock physical products, but digital product is just the new era, okay? And what Forbes is saying is digital marketing is rapidly growing, my loves. It's projected to be worth 1.5 trillion, yes, with the capital T, by 2030, okay? And this is an article I pulled out of Forbes, just showing you guys that it's not oversaturated. You can get a piece of the pie. It's enough money out here for all of us, okay? So social media marketing is the key component when it comes to this. I've started with just my Instagram page alone. Now I'm on all platforms. I teach my students not to just stick to one platform, but to get all platforms, because where attention is, the money follows. The more attention that you get, the more the money will follow. The more eyes in front of your product, okay? Like I always like to use as an example, for the billboards and the lawyers and the commercial advertisements for different businesses, right? They have the billboards that saying call a certain number so you can get information about that truck wreck or that accident that you were in. That's how they get their attention from people on the interstate. Guys, we have the opportunity to get that attention in the online space. We're not just serving our local community. We're able to serve people all over the world. Because I want you to remember one thing, that your digital product is a solution to someone else's problem, okay? And you can check out my other videos if you don't know how to create it and different things of that nature. But I wanted to give you the basics of digital marketing and how great it can be for you, how you can literally take digital marketing, learn, apply, and get the results, and literally make more than a doctor's salary in less than a year. Okay, I've seen it happen. I've done it myself, and I know that it's possible for you, but you have to believe it. You have to come into this space, in this industry, believing that it's possible for you. Okay, so that's what it's all about. You can do social media, like I stated. That can be your marketing. That's your storefronts. All right, we don't have a physical store, but your storefronts is your actual pages, and you can get on social media for free. Like, wow, we already have this login. We're using that time to stroll. Why not use that time to sell and promote things that will help people solve a problem? Okay, I don't care if you're in the weight loss, if you're in the health, wealth, anything. That's the top three. Relationships and health, wealth, and relationships is the top three niches that you will want to work with, because it's profitable. So you want something profitable. But I always like to tell my students, baby, turn your ideas into an income. Turn what you already know, what you already done learned over your years of being who you are, what you done overcome. Like if you're trying to teach someone how to potty train their toddler, how to leave a narcissist relationship, how to cook a soup in 30 minutes. It doesn't matter what it is. You can turn it into a digital product. You can promote it on the internet, and you can literally put it on the social media platforms with or without showing your face, and you can make more money in your sleep than you do on your feet. Okay, so you can use social media, Instagram, TikTok, Clapper, Facebook, YouTube. Okay, don't sleep on none of these. If you have the login to it, put it out there. All right, you can use email marketing. The good thing about email marketing, my love, is once you do start building that email list, okay, and I teach my students how to do this through Stand Store with collecting like a lead magnet, which is a freebie. I don't want to overwhelm you with that, but you can do email marketing. And the benefits of email marketing is once you collect those emails, you can literally have access to that for lifetime. So if anything happened to social media or whatnot, if they decide that they want to knock off certain platforms or change this and that, you will still have access to your email list, so you can still reach your people. So that means that you can still make more money in your sleep than you do on feet, because now you can send those people emails. All right, just like Shein and Target, when you sign up for different email lists, we've been on email lists, so you know exactly what it is when it comes to email marketing. You can do blogging and websites, or you can do paid ads. I haven't done paid ads, and I've made over 6 figures in the online space, and I haven't touched the ad. Okay, I know a lot of people look at different reels as ads, but I do not require you to start with ads. That is something that you can do in the future if you choose to. Okay. So yes, it's growing, guys. It's growing, and I love this for us. So let me just give you some breakdowns on some type of digital products. So you can do ebooks, guides. You can show moms how to meal prep. You can show beginners how to fix their credit within a certain amount of days. You can give checklists, templates, social media. Like I said, don't overthink it, but anything that you already have knowledge about can be turned into a digital product, okay? You can do online courses, step-by-step tutorials of you showing someone how to braid hair, you showing someone how to cook a meal, you showing someone how to juice, you showing someone how to fast, and the list goes on. Okay, you can do mini workshops. You can record yourself creating that t-shirt or doing that thing that you already love to do. If you're quilting, if you know how to sew, if you know how to cut hair, like I said, the list goes on. You can record yourself doing that, and then now you can sell that because you're explaining step by step throughout that video, right? Now you can sell that to the next person for 100% profit. All right. You can do private label rights. I like to always mention that you can start with that, because at the beginning of my journey, I did start with done for you digital products. Okay. That comes with private label rights. That gave me the right to resell a product that was already done. Okay. I picked the niche that I wanted, and I went and I got the information out of it, and I resold that product after I re-edited, remodified it, rebranded, put my name on it, and now I was able to sell it for 100% profit. And you can do that as well. I will put some resources down in the description to where you can utilize that if you choose to do so. But I'm always on top of creating what you already know, because it's so much easier to talk about, especially if you're creating it, that's your baby. Okay, it's not your little cousin, it's your baby. So now you can show up and you can talk about it even more. But it's all good if you decide to go with ready-made ebooks that you can rebrand, or done for you planners or workbooks. Okay, so why digital products works? Here's the benefits. Like I stated before, it's no inventory, no shipping. You create it one time, or you purchase it one time if you get the done for you. And now you can resell for 100% profit, okay, on autopilot. It becomes a passive thing, because now when you're spending time with your family, while you're out on vacation, while you're sleeping, your digital products can still make money for you on autopilot. You create once and sell over and over again. Like, I don't know if you ever experienced that, but I'm gonna need y'all to get on over here on this side, okay? So, and then you can reach anybody. You're not worrying about just your local community. If you know how to make bracelets, and you know that's a physical product, now you can teach other people how to do it, and you don't have to just be at pop-up shops or in your neighborhood and just sell to your family and friends. Now you can teach everybody all over the world how to do that, how to do what you already enjoy doing, my love. And you can use social media to do so. All right. And then that one product that you can create will serve 10 people, 10,000 people, 10 million people, etc. The list goes on and on. The amount of people, just imagine. Okay. Just imagine. So it can be done. That's the benefits. And you can work on your own schedule. Like, Let me pop my collar on that one. You can work on your own schedule. And that's all. When it comes to this, you do no longer have to trade your time in for money. So if you're working a job right now, that means that you're limiting your income, because the commute to and from work, you're not getting paid. You only get paid the time you clock in to the time you clock out. Okay. But if you have a digital product that's working and you have everything set up correctly, then now that digital product can make money 365, 24/7. Okay, long as you have everything in place, everything will be able to work for you while you're still spending time with your family, while you're still out on vacation, while you're sleeping, getting your beauty rest, my love. Okay, while you're just relaxing on a beach somewhere, you can still be getting paid. And that's what I want for each and every one of you. I want you getting paid more money in your sleep than you do on your feet. Okay, awesome. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to grab a pen and a paper and open your notes on your phone or whatever and write down one digital product idea that you can create this week. Don't overthink it. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Keep it simple. And trust me, I have plenty of videos on my channel here that you can utilize to make that happen. Okay. And if you feel that you just need more help, you need me. Okay. Because listen, I'm not going to lead you in the wrong direction, because I want you reaching the top. I want you where you desire to be and where your heart truly desires. Okay. So I would suggest, if you want the exact system to go from idea, especially if you're ready to turn your ideas into an income, if you're ready to go from idea to product to launch to sales, then you can get that right inside of the Freedom Formula. All right. So let me let you see exactly what she is. Okay. And she's the queen. She's the queen of it all. She is the Freedom Formula that I created for people to unlock their passive income on their own terms, okay? To create their own digital product from all the things